This is a cold start video for the 90 Chevrolet Beretta Indy. As you can see, it's dead cold. Now I want to show you something with this car. It has a passive alarm. So if you go to start the car, see that? Pay attention here. You have to put the right directional on. That's an old school thing. So all right, we're gonna start the car now. It's dead cold. Sounds great. Nice and steady. Always love the way these little 3.1 sound. They have that nice little growl out of the exhaust. Get you a little shot of that. That'll bring you right back to 1990, won't it? There you go.